Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, man.
Can we meet you?
Well, by the grace of God, I'm your brother, friend, John Yakubu, from Eastern Northeast Local Government, the former chairman of the local government. And by the grace of God, I was the deputy governorship candidate to Pastor Osage Ezeyamo in the 2016 off-season election. And not too long ago, when the present administration came on board, I was a member of the transition committee, and in particular, I was the chairman of the infrastructure subcommittee of that very important committee that drafted the roadmap for this present administration.
Okay, you just said something now.
Yes.
Your party, the PDP,
Yes.
is it going down? Because most of your members, they are defecting from your party. As a strong party member, how do you feel? How do you see that?
Well, I think that whoever is leaving PDP now, in all honesty and sincerity, is not leaving PDP because of his interest for the people and the party. I strongly believe whoever is leaving because of his personal agenda and personal interest. I came into PDP at the formative stage in 1998, and to that extent, I am still with the party. I'm still with the party PDP, and I strongly believe that PDP is the party to beat in the next gubernatorial election.
How do you see PDP in 2024?
Well, I strongly believe that PDP is the party to beat in 2024. That is the truth. I've said this repeatedly, and I'll continue to say it because we have done well as a party. We have done well for Edo people, and I think the PDP is waxing stronger. And under the present administration, we're building a foundation that any incoming PDP member or governor will continue to build on. You know, is it on infrastructure? Is it on human capital development? Is it on health? In all aspects of government and governance, I think PDP is doing very well under the present governor of Godwin Obaseki, and I think we'll continue to do that until it is time for him to hand the baton over to the next governor.
Back to the same party that you just discussed.
Yeah.
But the senatorial candidate, yeah, or the House of Senate,
yeah,
just defected from your party, but he didn't announce the party that he was going to. How do you see that?
Okay,
is it a blow to your party?
You are talking of
Senator Rohide.
Mantu Rohide.
Yeah.
Well, like you said, he did not announce the party he was heading to. But I read him recently where he said if he's giving the party if he's giving the ticket either by the Labour Party or by the APC, he'll be glad to have it. Well, it is not time for us to begin to talk about why and how he defected. But I can tell you, not a single person can destroy PDP. Not one individual can destroy PDP. We have come a very long way. We've been here. We're used to Edo people. They know us. Well, there are mistakes here and there, and those things will be corrected in due course. I don't believe that any one person leaving PDP can destroy PDP.
Who is Yakubu?
Well, John Yakubu is by all humility known to Edo people as that man fighting for the common cause of the people, common cause of Edo people. I did that when I was the local government chairman, and by the grace of God, given the opportunity, I'll do it again. I said this to you. Whatever I did when I was local government chairman in 2013, I didn't do it because I was coming to use it to probably advance my political aggrandizement. No, I did it because that was the right thing to do at that time. And by the grace of God, I still can lean back on that. 13 years after, you still can go back to Eastern Northeast local government and say, yes, this was done by John Yakubu. And I'm proud of that. Given the opportunity, that will be replicated at any level. The opportunity is given to John Yakubu for service to humanity.
The advice for your party and non-party men?
I would like to advise my party members to close ranks. Even in a family, you could have people quarreling, brothers and sisters quarreling. But at the appropriate time, which I strongly believe will soon happen, very soon, PDP will come together, look at how we can reform and begin to think of moving forward. Everybody will come aboard to enable the party move forward.
It's nice talking with you.
Thank you. Thank you.